Today, we'll show you how to create and use bundles in HubSpot with LineNer. Let's start with a deal example. Normally, if you want to add products, you can either open the product library and add line items one by one or create them manually from scratch. But if you often sell the same combination of products or services, doing it manually each time takes too long. That's where bundles come in. In the LineNer app, go to the Bundles section and click Create Bundle. Give your bundle a name, for example, HubSpot Professional. Now, you can choose an existing product SKU from your HubSpot product library or create a new line item from scratch. Add a description, unit price, quantity, and currency. Then you'll see additional properties. These include fields like product type, original key, group key, unit discount type, tax rate, and others. It's completely flexible. For fields like unit discount, you can also use tokens or even formulas, not just static values. This helps you make bundles dynamic and adaptable to each deal. Let's add another line item to our bundle. You can mix products, services, fees, whatever you need. You can also choose whether the deal amount should automatically update once the bundle is added. When you're done, just click Save. You'll see a confirmation banner. Your bundle has been successfully saved. Now, it's ready to be used in workflows. Let's open a deal-based workflow in HubSpot. Add a new action and choose Add LineNer Bundle. Then, select the bundle you've just created. Once your workflow is ready, turn it on. From now on, every time a deal meets your workflow conditions, LineNer will automatically add all the line items from your bundle to that deal. No manual work, just consistent, accurate product data. That's it. Your bundle is live.